Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In this particular video we are going to dive into step by step and how you can check your NECO results, okay, using your smartphone. Okay, using your smartphone, so you don't need to pay someone before you check your NECO result. So you can check your NECO result with just your smartphone. Okay, so this is the page where you can check your NECO results. Okay, I'll drop the link to this page in the description below or in the comment section, so you can dive into this page. Okay, if you notice something here, you can discover that I've logged into this page. Okay, I've made a video on how you can create an account with NECO results portal. I can create an account with NECO results portal, and also on how you can purchase a token to check your NECO results. I've made a video like that. I've made a video on that, so I'll drop the link to the video in the comment section or in the description below. And if you still need any assistance, you can message me on this number displayed on the screen, or join my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel, so you can message me there, so I will answer you instantly. I'll guide you to how you can check these NECO results. So assuming that you have purchased your token, watching the video I dropped in the previous video, I'll drop the link in the description below. Assume you have your token with you and you want to check your NECO results. So what you just have to do here, log into this NECO results. Okay, create account and log into it. So the video will guide you how to create account on this NECO portal, and how to create account, and also how you can purchase the token to check your NECO results. So I've dropped the link to the video in the description below or in the comment section. Okay, so let's dive into it now. You have your token with you, so let's dive into it now. So if you look at this page, the edge here, you see your dashboard. Okay, so when you click on dashboard here, so you see a drop down button here. So you click on this drop down button here. So here, okay, let's take it back here because I'm using phone, so you can see what check results. So you click on the check results, and also you come here. This is it has popped out. So that is what you need to check your NECO results. So you see the first thing here is token number. I've said it earlier. I've made a video on how you can get this token number in the description below. So I'll drop the link in the description below. So guys, you can go to it. How you can purchase your token to check this NECO results. And also you need the examination number. Okay, you all know your examination number with you, and also the exam year. No, this year is 2024, right? You can select it 2024 year, and also exam type. So when you click on it now, so it gives you we have 5 things here, but what you just have to do here is to select internal. It's not external. This external is meant for NECO GC, but for normal NECO this is internal. So you click on the internal, and then after you input your token, after you have input the examination number, so you click on check. Okay, you just click on check. So when you click on check, okay, it will load. You will wait for it like 1 minute. It will load. Okay, so it will look like, okay, it will load. So after load, it will display the NECO result. So you can do the printing and save it on your phone. So you can go out and do the printing in the cafe, but you can have the PDF with your phone. And mind you, this token you can only allow to use it to check result for 5 times. Okay, if you exist the 5 times, you need to purchase another token, and the amount for this token is very cheap. And if you want me to help you to get it, it's very cheap. Just message me on WhatsApp. So guys, I will guide you through how you can get this token number. So guys, that comes to the end of the class today. So in the next video, I'll make a live class as example and how you can check your NECO results, how I've purchased the NECO result, then a NECO token, and I'll make the video on how you can check this NECO results. So join us guys, keep updates, join us and subscribe, like us, the button in case you have another update on this NECO result, so you'll be the first one notified. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to share, and God bless you guys as you keep sharing this video with your friend or family. Thank you, and bye for now.